Student, today we are going to learn ag sound over here. These are the words related to a sound. Ab, k ab cab, d ab dab, j ab jab, n ab nab, t ab tab. Now we are going to learn add sound. B add bad, d add dad, h add hat, l add lad, m add mad, p add pad, s add sad. Now we are going to learn add sound. B ag bag, g ag gag, l ag lag, n ag nag, r ag rag, v ag wag. Now we are going to learn am sound. D am dam, j am jam, r am ram, y am yam. Now an sound. K an can, f an fan, m an man, p an pan, r an ran, v an van. Now app. K apple cap, l apple lap, m apple map, n apple nap, r apple rap, t apple tap, y apple app. Now we are going to learn at sound. B at a bat, k at a cat, f at a fat, h at a hat, m at a mat, and r at a rat.